Hello guys, in this video, today we are talking about Ammit. Who is he and what he can do, and what's his origins, powers, and what's appear like. So, make sure watch the video until the end. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So guys, let's get start this video. First of all, we know about Ammit. Who is he? So Ammit get originated by the three different animals like crocodile, hippo, or lion. His face looking like a crocodile and its tail, but the front of main body like lion and back side of body like hippopotamus. Amit known by justice, and he gave justice to the people. He can destroy people heart if they have more heavier than kilo. He can grab the heart and destroy them. He has no fear of gods. Amit can shave their size and our body shape. He can transform anything. Amit can control the mind of peoples, telekinesis powers, and Amit has powerful senses to find the souls, and Amit can sense fears of the peoples, solve corruption, solve power absorption, and other powers is electric manipulation, energy absorption, weather manipulation, and etc. That things make Amit is dangerous to everyone. But he gave justice to the people, and Egyptian gods get worship the creature. And she is a female monster. And its work under the Anubis. Amit height is maybe 20 to 30 meter, means 60 to 100 feet tall. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure like this video, subscribe my channel, and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys.